This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual Purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours.
Our target escaped us, and
Several of your dear neighbors informed us that you, the Sandins, have given him sanctuary. Mr. and Mrs., the man you are sheltering is nothing but a dirty, homeless pig.
A grotesque menace to our society, who had the audacity to fight back.
Killing one of us when we attempt to execute him tonight. The pig doesn't know his place and needs to be taught a lesson.
You need to return him to us, alive, so we can purge as we are entitled. Here's the plan, Sandins. You have until our provisions arrive. Provisions will help us break into your elegant home.
If you don't deliver him by the affirmation time, we'll release the beast on you.
And you.